Greetings everyone! Observe closely, my smartphone's back panel is presently a silver shade. When I put it in the refrigerator for a duration of 30 minutes and then take it out, it changes into an orange hue. If we rinse the orange back panel with warm water, notice how it reverts back to silver. Isn't it absolutely astonishing? This is the latest OPPO Reno14's Sun and Moonlight color variant. This time, they've introduced an innovative, temperature-responsive technology, just as we demonstrated at the beginning. You have the option to place it in the freezer for a duration of 30 minutes, and its entire coloration will transform from a silver hue to an orange one. If the orange is not to your liking, you can remove it and immerse it in hot water at approximately 60 to 80 degrees Celsius for a couple of minutes, and it will revert back to its silver shade. Naturally, we mustn't overlook some fascinating tricks. I experimented by spraying liquid nitrogen on it, and it can instantly change from silver to orange. Furthermore, due to the varying temperatures, the shade of orange differs. You can also utilize waterproof tape to craft distinctive patterns on the back panel. The measurements differ, creating a distinctive back panel tailored just for you. One crucial aspect, it is unlike earlier color-changing technologies. The remarkable part is that it maintains the new color for an extended period. Concerning safety, OPPO has thoroughly ensured that. Regardless of the high temperature of 75 degrees or the low temperature of -40 degrees, they have conducted a 48-hour storage test. Personally, I think that besides being amazing, this also indirectly verifies something, which is the reliability of the Reno14. After all, it can withstand both hot and cold conditions. So let's revisit this generation's ultra-narrow bezel small flat screen. A textured metal midframe, integrated cold carved glass design, a 6000 mAh big battery, and HD telephoto live photos. So, how do we describe it now? The OPPO Reno14, with its moonlight silver color that changes at will, is fearless of extreme heat or cold, truly a versatile little OFO.